Hi, I'm Tom Scarpello of Revology Cars, and I'm here to present car number 24. This is our latest production car, a 1966 Mustang GT Convertible in Tahoe Turquoise with an Aqua and White Pony interior. So this car is equipped with our new JL Audio premium sound system. It features an 800-watt Class D amplifier. It's located in the trunk. It has component speakers in the front, 5 1/4 coaxials and quarter trim panels, and a 10-inch subwoofer. It sounds awesome, even with the top down in a convertible. So this is the 17th 66 Mustang convertible that we built. It's actually the first one with a manual transmission. T-56 6-speed. It's a close ratio 6-speed. And this is the version, it's called the XL. It has an extended tail shaft, which is important because it allows us to run a shorter drive shaft that gives us a higher critical speed. Now, it's more difficult to package this larger transmission, but we felt that it was worthwhile in terms of the benefits, in terms of the critical speed, but also it puts the shift lever exactly where you want it. And it allows us to run a very short shift lever, and it gives us very short throws, and it's a very precise gearbox. So it's completely not like anything you'd expect to find in a 60s car, but man, does it feel good on the road. So we've done a lot of work to stiffen up the body. You know, obviously when you have twice the power that the car was originally designed for, it's important to ensure that the body is very stiff and can handle that power and torque. I'm on cobblestone right now, and you don't hear any squeaks or rattles.